Hi children, welcome back to our class. How are you? I hope you are fine. And first I would like to congratulate who got more than 16 marks in the previous test. And the children who got less than 15 marks, you don't disappoint about that. You should pay more concentration on videos and try to get good marks in the next test. Today, we are going to discuss about basic arithmetic operations. Basic arithmetic operations. What are basic arithmetic operations? Already we know that basic operations. What are those? Addition, subtraction, multiplication and division. These are called basic operations. These are also called basic arithmetic operations. Understood children? Addition, subtraction, multiplication and division. These are called basic arithmetic operations. What is the first operation? The first operation is addition. And to do addition, which symbol we are using? That is S. And after getting answer, after doing addition, we get answer. That answer or result is called sum. Result is called sum. Understood children? The first basic operation, basic arithmetic operation is addition. Addition is represented by the symbol plus, and the result, we can add two or more numbers at a time. Then we get result. That result is called sum. The next operation is subtraction. The next operation is subtraction. Subtraction is represented by the symbol minus. Subtraction is represented by the symbol minus. And the result of subtraction, after completion of subtraction, we get a result or answer. That is called difference. That is called difference. What is the next basic operation? The next basic arithmetic operation is multiplication. Next one is multiplication. This is also called repeated addition. This is also called repeated addition. And the symbol we use to represent multiplication is into. What is that? Into. The symbol we use to represent multiplication operation is into. What is the result? The result of multiplication is called product. Is called product. The result of multiplication is called product. Product of two numbers. Usually, we apply multiplication operation on two numbers. After completion of multiplication, we get a result. That result is called product. Understood? Next operation is division. The next one is division. This is also called repeated subtraction. This is also called repeated subtraction. And the symbol used to represent division is divided by. That is divided by symbol. Understood children? Divided by symbol is used to represent division operation. And after completion of division, we get a result. That result is called coefficient. Is called coefficient. Understood children? Basically we have four kinds of operations. These are addition, subtraction, multiplication and division. Multiplication is also called repeated addition and division is also called repeated subtraction. Understood? And plus. Symbol plus is used to represent addition. And minus is used to represent subtraction. Into. This is called into. Into is used to represent multiplication. This symbol is called divided by. Divided by symbol is used to represent division operation. And finally, results. The result of addition. Result of addition is called sum. Result of subtraction is called difference. Result of multiplication is called product. Result of division is called coefficient. Understood, children? Now, we are going to discuss addition of two numbers without carry. Addition of two numbers without carry. Let us see some examples for better understanding. The first example is add 4217 and 2150. Here I am taking two 4-digit numbers. I am taking two 4-digit numbers. How many places we need to represent a 4-digit number? We need 4 places. Those are ones, tens, hundreds and thousands. This is also a 4-digit number. So we need 4 places. Ones, tens, hundreds and thousands. Now we should arrange these two numbers according to the places. So here we need 4 places to represent these two numbers. Those are ones, tens, hundreds, thousands. These are also called columns. Now we should write these numbers here. First we should start from ones place. Here 7 is in ones place. So we should write 7 in ones column. So write here 7. And 1 is in tens place. So we should write 1 in tens column. Next 2 is in hundreds place. So we should write 2 in hundreds column. And finally 4 is in thousands place. So we should take 4 in thousands column. After writing these digits, we should take the digits from second number. Here 0 is in ones place. So we should take 0 in ones column. Understood, children? Next 5 is in tens place. So we should write 5 in tens column. Next 1 is in hundreds place. So we should take 1 in hundreds column. Finally 2 is in thousands place. So we should take 2 in thousands column. Now which operation we are applying here? Addition. So we should use plus. We should use plus. Now add these two numbers. First we should add from ones column. That means we should add the digits in ones column. So by adding 7 and 0, what we get? We get 7, because by adding any number with 0, we get the same number. So 7 plus 0 is equal to 7. Next we should add digits in tens column. By adding 1 and 5, we get 6. We get 6, because we should keep 5 in our mind, and for smallest number we should take fingers. Next we should add. That means 5 keep in your mind. Take off one finger. 5 after 6. Understood? Again. Now we have to add the digits in hundreds column. By adding 2 and 1, we get 3. By adding 4 and 2, we get 6. Finally, we should add the digits in thousands column. The result is 6. So, we get 6,367 by adding 4,217 and 2,150. And one more thing is, these two are called addends. These two are called addends. And the result is called sum. The result is called sum. So, this is the sum of 4,217 and 2,150. Is it clear, children? The next example is add 562 and 7,120. Here, I am taking a 3-digit number and a 4-digit number. How many places we need to represent 3-digit number? 3. Ones, tens and hundreds. To represent a 4-digit number, we need 4 places. Those are ones, tens, hundreds and thousands. Understood, children? Now we should arrange these numbers according to their places. Here we have one 3-digit number and one 4-digit number. To represent these two numbers as columns, we should need the highest number of places. How many places? Here we are using 4 places. So, we should take 4 places. Ones, tens, hundreds and thousands. Understood, children? Now, we can write any number at first position. First, I am taking 3-digit number. Here, 2 is in ones place. So, we should write 2 in ones column. Next, 6 is in tens place. So, we should write 6 in tens column. Next, 5 is in hundreds place. So, we should take 5 in hundreds column. Is there any digit in thousands? No. Okay. Then, we have to write the digits of second number. Here, 0 is in ones place. So, we should write 0 in ones column. Understood, children? Next, 2 is in tens place. So, we should write 2 in tens column. 1 is in hundreds place. So, we should write 1 in hundreds column. And 7 is in thousands place. So, we should take exactly below thousands. We should take 7. Understood, children? We should take 7 in thousands column. Now, we should add these two numbers. What is the symbol used for addition? That is plus. Understood? Now, first we should always add the digits in ones column. We add 2 and 0. 2 and 0. 2 plus 0 is 2 only. Because by adding any number with 0, we get the same number. Next, 6 plus 2. 6 plus 2. 6 keep in your mind. Take off 2 fingers. 6 after 7 and 8. The result is 8. Next, we should add hundreds column. The digits in hundreds column. Now, the biggest number you should keep in your mind. So, 5 keep in your mind. Take off 1 finger. 5 after 6. So write 6. And is there any digit to add? Nothing. So simply 0. Or write directly 7 because here nothing to add. So simply you should write 7 in thousands column as a result. Or keep one 0 here and add these two. By adding any number with 0 we get the same number. There is no change. Okay children? We can add like this. So the final answer is 7682. Understood? And the numbers we are adding are called addends. And the result is called sum. The result is called sum. By adding these two numbers, we get the result 7682. This is called sum of 562 and 7120. Is it clear, children? Children, look at this example. Here, I am taking a 3-digit number, 4-digit number and a 5-digit number. Now we are adding a 3-digit number, 4-digit number and a 5-digit number. How many places we need to represent a 3-digit number? 3. Ones, tens, hundreds. And to represent 4-digit number we need 4 places. Ones, tens, hundreds and thousands. To represent a 5-digit number we need ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, 10,000s. Totally 5 places. So, to arrange these numbers in columns, we need 5 places. Understood? To represent these numbers, we need 5 columns, 5 places. Those are ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, 10,000s. While we adding numbers with different digits, it is better to write the biggest number at first place. Understood? So, which is the biggest one? It is a 3-digit number and it is 4-digit number and it is 5-digit number. So, 5-digit number is always biggest compared to 3 and 4-digit number. Now write 5-digit number. Here 3 is in ones place. So we should write 3 in ones column. Next 2 is in tens place. So we should write in tens column. 1 is in hundreds place. So we should write 1 in hundreds column. Next again 3 in thousands place. So we should write 3 in thousands column. Finally 9 is in 10,000s place. So we should write in 10,000s column. Understood? After writing these digits, we should arrange a 4-digit number. Because this is the greatest one or greater one compared to 3-digit number. Now, here 0 is in ones place. So first we should write 0 in ones column. Next 6 is in tens place. So we should write 6 in tens column. Now 2 is in hundreds place. So we should write 2 in hundreds column. Finally 4 is in thousands place. So we should write 4 in thousands column. Is there any digit to write in 10,000s column? No. Understood? Now we should write 3-digit number. Here 4 is in ones place. So we should write 4 in ones column. Next 1 is in tens place. So we should write 1 in tens column. Next 2 is in hundreds place. So we should take 2 in hundreds column. Is there any digits to write in thousands and 10,000s? No. Simply you should write like this. Next we have to take addition. Which symbol we have to use here? Plus. Understood? And while adding these three numbers, first we should add the digits in ones column. Now, by adding 3 and 0, we get 3 only. Because by adding any number with 0, we get the same number. Now, the biggest number, 4 keep in your mind and take off 3 fingers. 4 after 5, 6, 7. The result is 7. Next, by adding 2 and 6, we get 8. Because you have to keep 6 in your mind. Take off 2 fingers, 6 after 7 and 8. Again, 8 you have to keep in your mind and take off 1 finger. 8 after 9. The final result is 9. Next, by adding 1 and 2, we get 3. Again, 3 keep in your mind, take off 2 fingers. 3 after 4 and 5. So, the result is 5. Next, we have to add 3 and 4 because nothing is here to add. So, simply add these two digits. 3 and 4. We have to add 3 and 4. By adding 3 and 4, we get 7. Because we have to keep 4 in mind and take off 3 fingers. 4 after 5, 6, 7. And here we have only 9 in 10,000s column. So, you should write 9 here. Here, nothing to add. So, simply you should write 9. So, the final result is 97,597. Understood, children? And these three numbers are called addends. These three are called addends. And the result is called sum. The result is called sum. So, this is the sum of 240, 4,260 and 93,123. Is it clear, children? Now, we are going to see addition of two numbers with carry. Addition of two numbers with carry. Let us take some examples. Here, we are adding two 4-digit numbers. Two 4-digit numbers. So, we need 4 places to represent these numbers. Those are ones, tens, hundreds and thousands. Here also we should take ones, tens, hundreds and thousands. Understood, children? Now, in the previous case, first we should arrange these digits according to their places. So, first we should write places as columns. Now, we should write the first number, 4,926. 6 is in ones place. 6 is in ones place. 2 is in tens place. 9 is in hundreds place. 4 is in thousands place. Now we should write second number. Here 2 is in ones place. 8 is in tens place. 0 is in hundreds place. And 3 is in thousands place. And we should use plus because we are doing addition. While taking addition of two numbers, we should always start from ones column. Understood, children? We should always start from ones column. That means we should add the digits in ones place at first. Now, by adding 6 and 2, we get 8. It is a single digit number. That's why simply write 8 here. But in tens tens column, by adding 2 and 8, we get 10. We get 10. 2 plus 8, we get 10. Here we have 2 digits. We have 2 digits. But we should write only single digit here. Understood, children? We should write a single digit. So, first we should write rightmost digit in tens column, and the leftmost digit we should write as a carry in hundreds place. Understood? If we get a 2-digit number, we should write the rightmost digit in that column, and the leftmost digit we should take as a carry for the next column. Okay, children? Then, after completion of tens column, we should take addition on hundreds column. While we adding digits in hundreds column, we should not neglect carry. We should add carry also. Understood? So, we should start from carry. 1 plus 9. How much it is? It is also 10. Again we get 10. 10 plus 0. By adding with 0, there is no change. So, simply we get 10. Here also we should follow this rule. We should write the 0 in the hundreds column. And 1, we should write 1 as carry for thousands column, for the next column. Understood? We should always pass this carry to the next column. So, we should write 1 in the place of thousands as carry. Understood? Now, after completion of addition of the digits in hundreds column, we should start addition of digits in thousands column. While we adding these digits, we should add carry also. So, we should always start from carry. So, 1 plus 4, how much it is? 5. And 5 plus 3, 8. We get only single digit number. There is no carry. Understood, children? So, simply write here. Now, by adding these two numbers, we get 8008. This is the result. So, this is called sum. This is called sum. Already we know that these two numbers are called addends. Is it clear? Now, I am taking two 5-digit numbers. Here I am taking 30,925. Here 94,206. Add these two numbers. To add these two numbers, first we need 5 places to represent these numbers. Those are ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, 10,000s. Like that. Here also we need ones, tens, hundreds, thousands and 10,000s. Now we have to write these places as columns here. Ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, 10,000s. Next, what we have to do? We have to arrange these two numbers here as a columns. Now, 5 is in ones place, right here. 2 is in tens place, right in tens column. 9 is in hundreds place, so write in hundreds column. 0 is in thousands place, so simply write 0 in thousands column. 3 is in 10,000s place, so write 3 in 10,000s column. Now, you have to arrange these digits here. 6 is in ones place, write that. 0 is in tens place, so simply write 0 in tens column. Next, 2 is in hundreds place, so write 2 in hundreds column. 4 is in thousands place, write that one. 9 is in 10,000s place, simply write 9 in 10,000s column. Next we have to take addition. Addition on these two numbers. While we adding any two numbers, first we should start from ones column. 5 plus 6 is 11. 5 plus 6 is 11. We should write right side digit in ones column and left side digit we should pass as carry for the next place. The next place is tens. So we should write this one as a carry here. Understood, children? We should write 1, left side 1 as a carry in the tens column. Next, we should add the digits in tens column. While we are adding digits, first we should add carry. Now 1 plus 2, how much it is? 3. 3 plus 0, is there any change? No change. So simply write 3 here. This is a single digit number. There is no carry to pass to next place. Next, we should add the digits in hundreds place. Now add these. Is there any carry? No. So simply add these two digits. 9 plus 2. How much it is? That is also 11. That is also 11. Here also the right side digit, right side 1 you should write at hundreds column and the left side digit, left side 1 you should write at thousands column as carry. Understood, children? This leftmost digit you should write as carry in the next place. What is the next place for hundreds? That is thousands. So you should write carry in thousands place. Next, we have to add the digits in thousands place. First we should start from carry. Now 1 plus 0. How much it is? 1 only. 1 plus 4. You should add that carry with 4. 1 plus 4 is 5. We get only single digit number. There is no carry to pass to 10,000s place. Then we should add the digits in 10,000s place. Digits in 10,000s place. Is there any carry to add? No. So simply we should add these two digits. By adding 3 and 9, we get 12. We get 12. So write 2 here. Is there any other column to add? No. So we should write the leftmost digit also here. Understood, children? Here nothing to add. Here there is no column to add. That's why we are writing the 2 digits here only. 1, 2, 12. We are writing here only. There is no need to pass the left side digit to anywhere as carry. Understood, children? Children, have you understood this topic? I hope you understood. Based on these topics, I am going to give one worksheet. Please do that worksheet and get ready for next class. Take care, children. Let us see the worksheet. Here you have only 2 questions. The first question is addition on 3 numbers without carry. The second question is addition on 3 numbers with carry. So do these additions and get ready for next class.